Hello, students, and welcome to this English class. My name is Dalis, and I'm gonna be your teacher for this class. I want to say welcome, everybody. We're going to have several classes like this one. It's gonna be the first one, and today class we're gonna talk about nouns. Okay. Uh, First, I would like to know if you know what a noun is. If you have any memory or something like that about what noun means. Well, if you don't remember what a noun is, here we have a definition of it. Well, a noun is a word that refers to a thing, a person, animal, place, quality, idea, or action. I mean, basically, a noun is everything we can put a name on it. Okay. For example, if we talk about the door, door is a noun. The table is a noun. If we're talking about um, food, food is a noun. There are several things that we can describe as noun. Everything we can put a name of it that is not an action, that is not a description. Well, those are nouns. Okay, so we have different types of nouns. We can have common nouns. Common nouns, well, as the name says, they are common. Well, when we talk about common things, places, or people, it's like, no, we're talking about this flower or this pencil. Oh, I'm going to the hospital. Or maybe I need to talk with the doctor, or this teacher is very boring. Okay, so we're talking about things that we can put names on it, as I said before. So, common nouns because they are common things we're talking about. When we talk about proper nouns, that is the next type of noun, is different because, well, now we're talking about specific people, specific places, or specific things. In English, also in Spanish, we begin with a capital letter. For example, my name is a proper noun, Dalis. Also, we have names of places like Canada, America, or, well, we have another proper name, for example, Sophie. So those names are proper nouns because they are very specific. Also, we can say that we have concrete nouns and we have abstract nouns. And, well, concrete nouns is because uh, those nouns are the ones that we can perceive with any of our five senses. For example, we can have wall, chicken, phone, toy. We can see a wall. We can touch a wall. We can smell chicken. We can taste, touch, see chicken. When we're talking about phone, toy, those kind of things that we can use our senses to perceive those. Those are concrete nouns. But not every word is a concrete noun. For example, we also have abstract nouns. And those abstract nouns are, for example, idea, hope, luck, love, patience. What happened with those nouns? Those nouns are not visible, or we can't smell, or we can touch those words. Those are just ideas, as the first word in the list says. Uh, those are ideas that we have in our mind. We can perceive any of them with our senses, but those still be nouns. Other type of nouns that we can have are countable and uncountable nouns. And, well, those are easy as their name says. It's like they name nouns that you can count when we're talking about the countable. Uh, so, what is the difference because between something that you can count and something that you can't count? Let's imagine and let's compare one countable noun with one uncountable noun. We can have, for example, toy. We can have one toy, two toys, three toys, 10 toys. We can have one pencil. We can have two pencils. We can have one dog, two dogs, three dogs. We can count them. But what happens when we talk about things like wine, water, salt, sugar, rice? It's difficult or it's impossible to count those. We can measure them, but we're not counting the noun itself. We are just counting the measure that we're using in that case. For example, we can say one water, two waters, three waters. It sounds weird. It doesn't sound very good. One salt, two salts. So it's not something that we commonly use. There are some circumstances in which we can use those uncountable nouns as countable nouns, but those are more like exceptions to the rule. Okay, and here we have some exercises. This is easy because we are going to talk about identify the nouns. We have a list of words and you have to identify which one. We have some nouns, we have some verbs, we have some adverbs, we have some adjectives, and you only have to identify the nouns, okay? So you can pause the video for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. This is very easy to do. And well, after that minute, you can unpause the video and I will tell you the answers of each one of those. For example, we have Caracas. Caracas is a proper noun. It's the name of a place, it's the name of the city. We have market. Market is a place. We can see that place and everything. Okay, so it's a noun. We have running, but running is a verb because it's an action. Verbs are not nouns. Okay, we have a study. Study is also a verb, so it's not a noun. We have tree, it's a noun. Children, it's in plural, but is a noun. We have love. Love is pretty curious because it can be a noun or it can be a verb. For example, we can say I love you as a verb, okay? Or we can say my love as a noun, okay? So we also have peace. Peace is a noun. Anger. Anger is a noun, but angry is an adjective because describes someone with anger. Also, we have hungry, that is an adjective, it's not a noun. We have Colombia, Spain, Jimmy, those are proper nouns. Computer, mice, mice is plural but still a noun. Computer is a noun. Heaven, heaven is a noun because it's a place. We have bag, it's an object. Purse, it's also an object. And we have quickly, but quickly is an adverb because it defines the way we do something. So it's not a noun, it's an adverb. Okay? And well, I hope that we can understand what the noun is. I hope that it's very clear. And if you have any question, you can this is the right time to do it. Or you can also contact me after classes using WhatsApp, using emails, or using the classroom platform. Okay? So, well, thank you for seeing this class and see you next time. Bye bye.